Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to download Java software. So first open your Chrome and start typing download JDK. Click on the first link. You need not to worry, it is a website of Oracle company. Click JDK download. Scroll down. Okay, then according to your laptop you can choose your option. Okay, I agree with all terms and conditions. Download. Click on the download. Yeah, it started downloading. After, click on the next. It started installing. Okay, close it. Open Chrome and start typing download IntelliJ IDEA. Click on the first link. Here you have two options, community and ultimate. Community was paid and ultimate was free of cost. I will go through from ultimate. It start downloading. After that, next, 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 next. It started downloading. Finish.